Okay, so good evening, everyone. We'll start our presentation sessions now. First, we have Mandeep Reddy with us. Uh, yeah, Mandeep, you can start your presentation.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm Manideep Reddy and I'm from Java Developers Group. Today, I like to share my task to read CSV historical data of the stock market in Java. So, the content that we are going to discuss now is introduction, objectives, description, tools, conclusion, and references. So, here is the introduction part. Um, Here we have to read the data from the CSV file using Java. Use built-in Java packages to read the CSV file. We will perform some calculations on data present in the CSV file and store the revised data using data storage mechanisms. And we will use exception handling to deal with the errors or exceptions that may occur during parsing or processing of CSV data. So the main objective is to read the CSV file by importing necessary libraries or packages in Java. Once we have read the data, parse the data to extract the relevant information, perform certain operations on the data, storing the changed data using storage mechanisms like databases or data structures, uh, deals with the exceptions or errors, testing the CSV data reading, parsing with various scenarios such as different CSV file formats, optimizing and refactoring code to improve performance, document the CSV data after reading and parsing. So that the description
Mandeep,
here.
sorry to interrupt you. Can you please turn on your camera?
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
Uh, Here we use built-in Java built-in libraries like Java input output and Java utility packages, or libraries such as API Commons CSV and or Open CSV. Then we read the CSV file using appropriate methods or classes from the chosen library. Then we can use regular expressions or rejects like some set of they have some set of like delimiters like that, or string manipulation like we can change that what are the present content. So we can change the strings by using some sort of functions or CSV parsing methods to parse the CSV data. The parsed data is stored using databases like we can use any database, either Oracle or MySQL or anything or cloud, and arrays, lists, or memory based data structures. And we can handle exceptions that may occur during reading or processing of data, such as file not found exception. This may occur frequently, and the input output exception using exception handling, using design patterns, best practices, and code quality tools to ensure high quality code. We can write a better code such that we can use less memory storage, or we can perform it better. And after uh, uh, after changing the content in the CSV file, then at last we can maintain a document of CSV data for any further utilities. So the tools I have used here is CSV file, Java libraries, Java packages, Eclipse IDE, and a database. The conclusion is finally we are able to read the CSV data. We store the modified CSV data in storage mechanisms after parsing. We get rid of all exceptions by like we can use exception handling like try catch blocks, such that we can get rid of all the exceptions. We made a document for any further uses. And the references I have used is Bank of Baroda CSV file, and I have read the matter through Java T point, and I have taken some YouTube reference too. Yeah, finally, thanks. Yes, sir, I was done.
So, Mandip, is that all?
Yes, sir.
So, Mandip, can you please tell me your task name again?
Sir, to read CSV historical data, sir,
Right.
regarding stock market.
So, after seeing your presentation, I can't tell whether you have read the CSV file data or not, because there should be a demo where you read the file which is provided to you.
Okay.
Yeah, so that has to be included in the part of demo, but there is no
Okay.
demo, right? When you look at the reference slide, it's
Yes.
clearly you have given a reference that on Trello you received a CSV file data of Bank of Baroda, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you could have shown us the CSV file, but you
Okay.
didn't. Yeah, and see, when you start the presentation, na, so there has to be some hook story. You shouldn't just jump on the topic directly, like to see
Oh,
reading CSV and everything. But you could have started what is CSV and why CSV came into existence, and then
okay.
from there you could have continued your information regarding CSV and how are you going to read the CSV. See, in your objective, can you just turn to slide number 4?
Yes.
Yeah, so clearly shows that the main objective is reading the CSV file, and then once you have read the data, then you'll extract the relevant information and then store it, the change data. Na? So you have to do these steps in your demo, but there is no demo. So I'm I'm confused that your task is like 50% complete. Like you have made the presentation and given the presentation, but where is
Yes. Sir,
the
the
demo?
practical part I'm working on. It's not yet completed. Practical
So,
part.
okay, so if it's not completed, then why are you giving the presentation?
Yes, sir. They have scheduled it on 17. That's why I have completed PPT.
Okay, I get it. If it's scheduled, that then too, like you can take extra 1 to 2 days, then just complete your task and then give the presentation.
Okay.
You have given the presentation. I'm going to score you. You'll get less score, na, because you don't have the demo.
Yes.
So why to get less score just because it was scheduled today? Like I don't get the point here, because the task is incomplete. Like the main objective was to read the CSV file, but you didn't show me the CSV file and anything.
Yes.
So what should I do? How when are you going to complete the demo part of it?
Sir, by tomorrow.
Okay, so you haven't submitted this PPT, right?
Yeah, not yet.
Okay, so what you can do is after completing your PPT tomorrow, your demo tomorrow, you can just submit the demo as well as this PPT, and then mention there that you have given the presentation. Okay,
Okay.
okay. But then since you didn't show me any demo, so you won't be getting any marks for.
Okay.
Okay. See, so you got the point about the hook story, right? What you can add the hook story point, right? And I can you just tell me what were the challenges you faced during this task?
Sir,
What were the challenges you faced? You have included so many steps, right? That you're going to read it, then extract it, then store it.
yes,
So
sir.
you're currently doing the demo, right? Demo
Yes.
part. So what were the challenges you faced while doing it?
Sir, loading not complete data, sir. Like CSV file may contain many values, right?
Right.
Not able to load that many.
Okay.
are missing. At Some of them are missing.
Okay. Okay. That's like not proper answer, but okay. See, you have included so many texts, like so many pointers in this single slide. What you can do is just break down this into two slides now. Why
Okay.
to, yeah, why to just make all the data in just one slide? You
Yes.
can just break down into it, two of them. It's okay if there is more slides, it doesn't matter. But so much pointers congested in a single slide now, it doesn't look good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And then after the reference slide, you can just add a Q&A slide.
Okay.
Yeah, which should be including your contact info, like the GitHub link or your contact Gmail. Okay. I believe this is not your first task, first presentation, right?
Yes, sir. Second.
Yeah. So just add this Q&A, and when you explain, when you give the reference slide, the links, you should just explain them, like what have you gained from them. Okay. And just not show the reference slide. Just
Okay.
explain in 2 to 3 lines, or in, what these links are. And yeah, that's all I believe. Just work on the demo part and submit it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. That's all from my side.
Okay.
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 Right. So since we don't have any more presentations left for today, we'll stop here, stop our presentation sessions, and good evening, everyone. Thank you.